Alright, here's the VR4 drive shaft. Just took it out. I'm going to change these carrier bearings. They're both bad, two of them. You can feel a lot of play when you engage the clutch, and I think this could be at least part of the reason why. There's a lot of play, so gonna be taking, it's 3 pieces, gonna be taking it apart and replacing the carrier bearing. Okay, the new carrier bearings are on. 1 and 2. This joint here, Lumbro joint, whatever it is, that took me 2 days to get off. Finally just soaked it in PB Blaster, took a chisel and an axe to it, and it finally came off, but that took some time. But anyway, looking forward to put these back in. I have some aftermarket bushings here, and we'll see how it is.